The nightingale gets its rose, but only with much bleeding, as the angry wind made the thorns cut its flesh. A parrot was happy spending its life dreaming of sugar, till the flood of death swept it away. I wish the friend would understand my suffering. The beloved came so easily and made my life so hard. Help me, O camel driver, for Allah's sake. It is my hope of help that led me to this caravan. Don't ignore my wet eyes and dirty face. That is where the heavens have made their abode. Alas, the jealous moon of the blue sky will cause all earthly beauty to die. Hafiz, you die and can't enjoy the beloved's face. The foul game of time deprives you of the beloved's joy.